Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still moving below the support of this rising wedge pattern after breaking it down. And in today's video, we will once again watch how the price line can be recovered from here, or is there any possibility that the price line may break down the next support. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I've also shared the link for this report in the video's description, which will show you how many trades I've shared in the previous month. Like I shared 75 trades. Out of 75, 62 were successful and few trades were unsuccessful. And for example, if you would like to verify any trade, then you can just click on the chart. I have posted the links, all the links here, and it will take you to the chart that I've shared for my members. I've also shared the screenshots how the price line entered the buying zone and hit the sell target. So you can just click on the link and it will take you to the trading view. And if you have at least a free account here, then you can click this play button and it will show you how the price line entered the buying zone and hit the sell targets. Now let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to show you this rising wedge pattern that we are following. And you can see recently the price line broke it down and moved up to retest the previous resistance, support as a resistance, as I was telling you that it may move up. And we had a spike up to $40,691. It tested the previous support as a resistance, and if it will be rejected, then the situation can be more critical, because that will be confirmation for the breakdown. But we should remember that we have already broken out a very resistance of the down channel as well, and there is also a very powerful hidden bullish divergence, a double hidden bullish divergence on this chart, as the RSI is forming lower than previous low, and stochastic is also forming lower than previous low, while the price line is forming higher low than previous low. Therefore, there is a very high probability that the price line may recover from here and it will re-enter the wedge, and even it can hit the resistance of the wedge as well. For example, if it will hit the resistance, then it can reach here up to $48,000. That will be the resistance of the wedge, and the target for the breakdown can be here at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at $33,000. On the weekly time frame, the situation is not good, because we have already broken down this red line, that is the EMA 21, and we are very close to this support of this up channel that Bitcoin has formed since January 2021. It is moving above this inside this channel, and we are having nice moves between the resistance and supports. Now these movements are really very important for Bitcoin, because in fact it has broken down the support of this rising wedge, but there is a very big hidden bullish divergence on this chart, and we have already broken out a very big resistance of this down channel as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.